Hello, and welcome to Writing 121, Academic Composition here at Lane Community College. I'm your instructor, Beth Adelot. You may call me Beth. And I want to walk you through the introductory material of this course to make sure that you have no questions whatsoever about what we'll be doing this winter. This is, as I've said, it's a writing course. You've either placed into it or you've taken the necessary courses to prepare you for it. This course is designed to help you with writing assignments in any course you will take the rest of your life. It's also designed to help you with any writing that you need to do in the workplace because, as you know, any position past the entry-level position requires writing of some sort, reports, estimates, presentations, something like that. You need the writing skills. So, you're taking this course this term. I'm excited about it. The important thing to realize here in green, you see I'm on the Moodle page here for the course, is that you must, this first week of classes, post something, submit something. Obviously, I hope that you do all of the assignments, the 2 forum posts and the personal narrative. We'll talk about that later, but you have to post something this first week or else you will be administratively dropped from the course. You don't want that to happen, so please do. Let me walk you through some of these introductory things that I hope you read before you get started. I think this will answer most of your questions. Let's see. The Getting Started book is mainly about Moodle. It's talking about the different things, taking an online course, how to use Moodle, what kind of, we call it netiquette instead of etiquette, what kind of language we want here, respect always. Then the course structure, course communication, and the support you can find in terms of the Writing Center and all the accommodations that will be there, be available. Please read that. I have written a thing about meeting me, talking about me. You will get to know me probably more than you won't this term. Syllabus, I've done a syllabus, everything you need to know about the course. Again, I've given you more information about me, course description, course objectives that come straight from the catalog. Every Writing 121 course at Lane will have the same description and objectives. All of us as instructors approach it from different angles, but at the end you get the exact same skills in writing. The required text, you realize in this course there's nothing to buy. You're welcome. We will be using the New York Times, which is free online through the Lane Library, and I'll show you exactly how to get that later. Grading, this you might want to look at what the points are, what the assignments are. I have the student expectations. What I will do for you, support again, accessibility, and of course academic honesty. One of the things we'll be learning in this course is how to avoid plagiarism. Now back to the course itself, and you'll see I have when will assignments be due. I will only open the course week by week for you. So you might want to, actually I suggest very strongly that you do, look at this to see the dates of when everything is due. My suggestion is really to sit down with a calendar and put down when your final research paper is due, if nothing else. Grading rubric, this is also in the syllabus. Resources for your writing, this is a writing course after all. I talk about the Writing Center here, and then I have posted some links for composition and grammar resources. This will change throughout the term as I see what needs we have as a class. Then the course forums, I have a news and announcement forum. This course will begin on Monday mornings and each week and end on Sunday nights. I will on Monday mornings post something here to give you a preview of the week, important dates, and then on Sunday morning I'll do a wrap-up and remind you of different things that are coming up, trying to keep you on course for this. Then I have a course question and answer forum. If you have personal questions, please email me. You'll get all that information in the syllabus. Personal information such as your grades, late papers, any kind of personal problems that you have with the course. This forum is actually for more general questions like a link doesn't work, or you can't do something. You can't get Moodle to behave. Something like that. That would be the course question and answer forum. And then you might be interested to know, this is my way to make this more like a face-to-face class. This is a forum that I invite you to participate in. In a face-to-face class, at the beginning of class, I would probably spend a couple of minutes talking about what's going on campus or what's going on in the Eugene Springfield community. This is a chance for us to communicate with each other about things that we might want to know about. I will post another video next week for week 1, but if you have any questions, please email me, contact me. Welcome to the course. We're going to have fun.